Hello friends, welcome to Neela's studio. In today's video, we are going to see how to use 1/4 inch hemming foot. And this foot is very useful for hemming at the edges of any fabric. So today I'm going to make a ruffle gathering. So I need to finish the edges of this ribbon like fabric very neatly. So I'm going to use 1/4 hem foot first, then stitch on both the sides very neatly and professionally, and then I'll be pleating in the center, so which you can see now. This kind of ruffles can be made around the sleeves, around neck of a dress, or even the hem of a dress, or wherever you want to attach. You can create your own design of a dress and attach these ruffles, which will look so beautiful, and this will give a very neat finish. I'm now actually using only a scrap fabric just to show you. So when you are making, make sure that you cut the fabric very straight on both the edges and then stitch it very neatly.